love it. So, Jacqueline, besides being the STEM queen, this past year, you were the reigning Miss Black Teen USA Talented Teen.
Yes.
That's awesome. Congratulations.
Thank
What a
you so
year.
much.
How's it been?
Amazing. I just crowned my successor, also from Delaware.
Oh.
It was an amazing year. I mean, I got to impact over 6,500 young girls by continuing to show them that they can go into STEM just like I have. And shout out to Ashlyn. Love you.
Shout out, Ashley. Shout out to Delaware. Yellow Kid over there.
Yes.
All right. You're going to show us some fun science experiments. This one's called Dragon Breath.
Yes.
I already like it.
Yeah.
How's
This
the
one-
dragon style?
Fiery. So we
Okay.
are going to be extra safe, take some precautions, right?
Okay.
Don't do this at home. Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! All right, next we've got something you call the boo bubble.
Yes, boo bubble.
How does this work?
Ready? You can hold it now.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I
so try and catch them. Check that out.
Oh, this is cool. Look-
Right?
Oh, that's fun.
Experiment,
Okay,
right?
that is a good experiment.
This is a great one to do with kids. Don't do the dragon breath one.
Don't do the
this
dragon
one.
breath one. I might do the dragon breath one, but I don't suggest you do the dragon breath one. For more great ideas from the STEM queen herself, just follow her on Instagram.